Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello creators and engineers. Welcome back to Civil53 Next, where we simplify civil engineering and design. In our previous video, we explored the drawing tab, where we learned how to use tools like lines, circles, and rectangle. We also dove into the modify list tab, mastering tools to move, copy, and adjust our drawing effortlessly. Lastly, we covered the crucial step of setting up units in AutoCAD, ensuring accuracy in all our designs. Today we are moving forward with another essential feature, the Layers tab. Understanding layer is fundamental for organizing your drawings, managing different elements, and making your projects more efficient. Let's dive in and see how layers can transform your workflow. So here we are. Today we will be talking about the Layers tab. What are layers? Layers in AutoCAD act like transparent sheets that you can stack on top of each other. Each layer can hold different types of information like dimensions, annotations, or structural elements, allowing you to organize your drawing efficiently. As you can see here, the zero layer is the default layer. If you click here, there are no other layers because you haven't created any one yet. So, to create a new layer, go to the Layers tab and click on New Layer. Click here on Layer Properties. Click on this icon, New Layer. You can name your layers based on their functions such as dimensions, wall, or furniture. This helps keeps everything organized. So we will name it Wall. Color selected white. Click on OK. Line type will be continuous. Line weight, let's give it a thickness of 40 mm. Okay, now close it. Enter. Now we have drawn this line. This line is drawn by the default layer. As you can see here, it's zero layer. So in order to change to the wall layer, click here and select walls. Now this line is set to walls layer. So press escape. But as you can see, let me explain something before that. Click on line, this one. So now this line is drawn by zero layer, this one is drawn by one layer. But there is no difference between them because the line weight is off. To turn it on, come here and click on this dotted on this line. As you can see, now this is have a thickness of 40 mm, and this one drawn by the default layer. So come here again to the layer properties. As you can see, currently this layer is active, which is the default layer. If you want to change it, simply select the desired layer. So let's say we want this wall layer and click on this icon. Now the wall layer is the active layer. So close this one. As you can see here, it's walls. Let's draw a line, enter. You can select it from here also. Let's select this default layer, line, press escape. Now again, to create a new layer, click on layer properties, click on this icon, give it a name. Let's name it this time center line. We will color it red color, and it's not continuous line. So click here on continuous, then click on load and select this one, center 2. Click on OK. OK. As you can see, it's still continuous. So click on it again, select center from here, then click OK. Now it's not the active layer. To set it as an active layer, click on this selected before, then click on this. Close. So line, draw. As you can see, now we have drawn a center line. Now let's talk about freeze, lock, and off. As you can see, this is off, this is freeze, and this is lock. First we will start with freeze. Freezing a layer makes it invisible in the current viewport and improves performance when working on large drawings. Frozen layers are not regenerated, so they don't slow down your system. How to use it? To freeze a layer, selected and click the freeze icon. So let's select this line, then we will come here and we will click on freeze. We use that when we want to hide a layer completely and improve drawing performance, especially in large or complex files. So in short, we can say this is useful when you want to hide layers temporarily without deleting them. Now to show it again, click on it. Now let's talk about the lock layer, which is this one. Locking a layer prevents any changes to objects on that layer. You can still see and snap to the object, but you cannot modify or delete them. With the same line, select it, and then click on this wall, locked. All the items drawn by the wall layer is locked. See, you cannot delete or select, but it's working as a snapping object. So let's say here the line, you can from here press escape. This is helpful for protecting important parts of your drawing from accidentally changes. Lock a layer when you want to prevent edits but still needs to reference it while working on other parts of your drawing. Now, to unlock, click on it. The last thing we will be talking about is off layer. Turning a layer off hides it from view, similar to freeze, but it still regenerates with the drawing. This can be useful for quick temporary hiding of layers. So let's select the wall and then we will turn it off. As you can see, it just disappeared. The object on this layer will be hidden but can be quickly turned back on when needed. Turn a layer off when you need to temporarily hide it without affecting the performance of your drawing. So in conclusion, freeze is best for performance improvement in complex drawing. Lock is ideal for protecting layers from unintended changes. Off is useful for quickly hiding layers without affecting system performance as much as freeze. Understanding these properties help you manage your drawings more effectively and maintain control over complex projects. You can also use this feature from the layer properties. So click here. Let's say that you want to turn off the wall layer. Just click here. Turn it on, click here. Freeze it and lock it. And to set this the active layer, click on this. To recap, the Layers tab is a powerful tool that helps you keep your drawings organized and efficient. By mastering layers, you can manage complex design with ease, making your projects more professional and streamlined. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Comment below with any question or topics you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching Civil 53 Next, and I will see you in the next video, inshallah.